Hey guys, it's Sadie, and as you may know, I am going to university in the fall, in September, in about a month. Literally exactly a month. Today is August 2nd, and I move in September 1st. I want to completely just reorganize and declutter everything that I have. The stuff under my bed, unacceptable. There's like stuff literally coming out of under my bed because that's where I put all the storage of stuff that I don't really use every day, but I definitely don't need all of it. It's gonna make it so much easier to move into my apartment. I'm really exposing myself, but it needs to be done, and I love making organizing and decluttering videos. I think they're so satisfying. I already did kind of go through my closet, so if you want to watch that video, I literally tried on everything in my summer wardrobe, and I posted so much on Depop. You can watch that. It's in the eye. This might be a couple day process. I'm so excited, so make sure you stay till the end to see the finished organized product. Let's get right on into this video. Ew, oh my god, there's a spider. No, 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 no. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, I'm never wearing that zipper again because I just killed it with that. The first thing I need to do is I have a garbage bag because hopefully I can just get rid of a lot of this stuff. But I know that there's a million phone cases down here, and that's basically all I remember there being. But I'm about to be surprised. So let's just take everything out. Okay, so these are basically the two bins that I have under my bed. This is all for under bed storage, but like there needs to be some sort of organization here. I don't know. Okay, this notebook. Oh, this is, I was taking notes in this for my international business course. Like there's, but there's only like a couple pages used. So I'm gonna keep this. My old planner. I want to keep this because I want to look back at all the things that I did, but I'm never going to be like, oh, it's the afternoon, let me just go under my bed and look back at all the things that I did. You know what I mean? Like you always think you're going to look at all of these memories and stuff like that, but I really don't. So you were loved. Okay, I'm just going to go through everything and I'm going to do a little speed round. Why do I always feel like I need to keep these? If I have money in here, oh my god, I have all of my school IDs. My grade 9 one is horrifying. And I have so much American money in here. Maybe I shouldn't tell you that. I'm gonna hide it, so don't even try. Okay, so that's like basically everything in this first one. I'm getting rid of all of this stuff. In here, I have some books that I really don't think I'm gonna get to. Realistically, I'm just gonna accept that, and I'm gonna put them in the further away bucket because I have some of my diabetes supplies in here, so I get this out like weekly. So I'm just gonna take all the books and put them in here. I have some more electronics that I really want to put in here. So maybe I'm going to put my phone cases here. Here, I'm just going to put all the electronics that I literally don't know why I have in the Aldis store right here. All of my extra camera straps and like tripods and stuff. So I'm just going to put this all here. In here, I have so many cords. Infinite cords, and I don't even know what they're for. So I'm going to go through these. Guys, you have actually no idea how good that felt to organize. And I have like these little bins and like compartments and stuff. But we have much else. We have much more to do. I'm already tired. It's okay. I have no idea whose shoes these are. Ow. Oh my god, there's so much more. My original strategy for all of my bags, which I have so many of, I don't want to throw out all of these like mini bags that I have because they're so useful for when you're going for sleepovers. In this big bag, I have so many little bags. I don't think I need all of those. I am going to keep this dust bag though because I think it's really cute. Good for makeup. This is good for makeup. This is good for makeup. This is good for, okay, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna transfer all of this stuff into here because I think this is slightly bigger for like sleepover and toiletry stuff. And I'm gonna put all of my period stuff in the smaller one. I turned 12 million bags into 3. The souvenir that I forgot to give Bailey from Greece. The next thing that I really want to organize is basically all of my products, hair products, skincare, and makeup. I just want to be that minimal person that just has, you know, 1 or 2 of everything that they use. Say I literally throw out like a dry shampoo bottle that maybe in a month I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I wish I had some dry shampoo, I wish I didn't throw it out. I can literally just go and buy it, but I think it's worth getting rid of now just to have less clutter. Just, you know, like I'm not just gonna keep it just in case. I'm just gonna literally throw everything out that I can. So let's get started. For the amount of skincare that I use on a daily basis, it's so concerning the amount of skincare products that I own. Like I use literally 3 products every single day for my skincare routine. My parents gave me like 2 shelves of this bathroom to put all of my products in and it's overflowing. So I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. Like you guys need to keep me accountable here because I want to get rid of most of it. The problem that I have here with these Alex drawers is there's just literally too many things to fit in the drawers. So I was trying to, at the beginning, try and free up a space in my room that I can take all the stuff that doesn't fit in here and put them in that thing over there. And I actually did free up like a whole shelf. So I'm going to put everything in here. Having these all cluttered makes me upset. It's time we reorganized. I'm currently sitting here just organizing this drawer. It's actually on the last drawer. I was getting so excited to get everything done. My camera dies, so I just go over there to my little charging thing, take my battery out of the charger, put it in my camera, and then my camera dies immediately again. So I was like, that's really funny. Then I take another charger, put it in my camera, and it dies again. and I only have 3 batteries, and now I'm trying to charge the other batteries, but the light just flickers on and then it turns off. So it's super ideal for this video. So I just Amazon primed a battery charger, so I'm gonna have to finish this whole process tomorrow. But I actually am really excited because I just got a notification on my phone that my glasses, like I got new glasses, so they're in for me to pick up. So I think I'm just gonna skirt over there and get them. And I need to shower because of how much I did, because it's also really hot in my room. So I will see you tomorrow. It's the next day. I got a charger. I'm gonna finish going through all of my Alex drawers. I actually kind of skimmed through them yesterday, and they're not as bad as I thought they were. And then I have all of this stuff that I wanted to take out of these drawers and put over there. I feel like this is like a lot easier than what I thought it was gonna be, but I have to continue. Look how full my garbage is by how many things I threw out today and yesterday. Like, this is good. I'm gonna show you like a little overview of how organized everything is now. This drawer completely organized, just all of like my glasses and like beside my bed stuff, office stuff, all organized. This drawer just has all of my hair tools in it. Don't really care if it's organized. This drawer is all of my like compartments for my camera equipment. Down here is all of my extra electronic and like cord stuff. Below my bed is actually organized. I don't really know how to show you that unless like I literally take the camera and put it under my bed and it's gonna be really dark, but just trust me, it's actually really organized down there. What else do I organize? Oh my gosh, and my bathroom is so much better now. I'm just feeling all in all good. Like this is good for me. Just a little tip, when you're going through all of your clothes for university and you're probably trying on a lot of jeans, I literally yesterday tried on every single pair of jeans that I own because I really wanted to just only have in my closet things that I'm actually going to wear and just be super honest with myself. Like if I'm not gonna wear it, why would I bring it? I wanted to have jeans that I just felt super confident in, even if it's literally like 1 or 2 pairs, and that can also be trendy. And I know that like the low-rise jeans are super trendy right now. I went to the store called Envy and Grace, but I ended up buying 2 pairs of low-rise jeans. One are the low pro Levi's jeans. I'm gonna link them down below for you. And then I got these other ones that are like I call them my Britney Spears jeans because it makes me just, anyway, I don't know. Those ones, they're full length and I have very short legs, so I'm just getting them hemmed and it wasn't even that expensive. And then I got this pair of crisscross flare yoga pants type pants from Garage because I had a gift card for my birthday, and I'm getting those hemmed as well. But I was going through my jeans and I actually did find these ones are just an example. A lot of my jeans I really just never reached for because they didn't fit me at the waist, or I knew that I would like put them on in the morning and they'd be fine at the waist and then they would just get looser and looser throughout the day, and then I literally just want to take them off because I'm just so frustrated that I don't feel like secure in my jeans. A tip that I really just want to like maybe remind you guys before you go back to school is to take the jeans that you already have and get them altered, like get them hemmed, get the waist taken in, do whatever you need to the jeans. That's what I'm going to be doing to these jeans because these are literally Aritzia pants. Like I'm not going to throw them out, but I just want to feel more confident in them. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I need to go get these tailored, but I guess that's kind of the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like organization videos, make sure to stick around and subscribe and press the bell because I'm going to be moving into my apartment in a month and there's going to be so much organization, so many life changes, so exciting. I hope you're having the best day ever, the best summer ever. I'm really going to try to make this last month of summer just do as many things as possible. That's basically like my goal. What's your goal for the end of the summer? Let me know down below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.